Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Which two surahs have been regarded as quarter of the Quran? And your options are option A, Surah Zilzal and Surah Kafirun, or option B, Surah Ikhlas and Surah Nas. The right answer is option A, Surah Zilzal and Surah Kafirun. What is the meaning of فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ? Your options are option A, so which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? Or option B, Allah is the greatest. The right answer is option A, so which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? How many times is Hamim repeated in Quran? Your options are option A 7 or option B 5. The right answer is option A 7. How many times is Alif Lam Mim repeated in Quran? Your options are option A 8 or option B 6 times. The right answer is option B 6 times Alif Lam Mim is repeated in Quran. How many times is Alif Lam Ra repeated in Quran? Your options are option A 3 times or option B 5 times. The right answer is option B 5 times Alif Lam Ra is repeated in Quran. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Qari'ah? Your options are option A 16 or option B 11. The right answer is option B 11. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Takathur? Your options are option A 8 or option B 11. The right answer is option A 8 times. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Asr? Your options are option A 3 or option B 4. The right answer is option A 3. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Humazah? Your options are option A 9 or option B 10. The right answer is option A, 9. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Fil? Your options are option A, 5 or option B, 8. The right answer is option A, 5.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.